Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable whispering mode for your earbuds LG Tone Free. You have to start by open LG Tone Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to Tone Free Lab. You need to find this line, and right here at the bottom, the third line, we have whispering mode. To enable, you need to tap at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Now you can hold your earbud near to your mouth and speak with it. And to disable it, you need to tap also at this slider one time if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.